So we are a graduate school in the field of cognitive neuroscience, but we have a very specific focus in our teaching and research. And the focus is combining language, social neuroscience, neurology, and we have a focus on learning about the latest in neuroimaging methods. What we offer is an environment to optimize your education and your research, and that's very unique.
My name is Veronika Krieghoff. I'm the coordinator of the IMPRS NeuroCom. I'm responsible for the scientific and administrative organization and coordination. Concerning the scientific coordination, I'm responsible for the recruitment of new candidates. I'm also responsible to organize the course curriculum. I'm also planning and organizing the summer school, which is held every third year in London and the other 2 years here in Leipzig. When you come to our institute, you don't need to speak German, but of course we offer you the possibility to learn some German if you want.
My name is Pei Chen. I come from Taiwan. I was trained and work as a physical therapist, specialized in neurorehabilitation. This is my second month in Leipzig, so everything is still new and fresh to me. But the IMPRS coordinator, she is always very willing to help us. Because of her help, we can have a very smooth and nice start here.
I help them to get a bank account, to get health insurance, and to manage all organizational aspects.
My name is Daniel Margulies. My main roles is supervising students, doctoral projects, as well as giving lectures and courses and helping to design those curricula. The main challenge is learning to deal with formulating a scientific question that one is able to answer using the methodologies that are available. Learning to deal with all of the different demands ranging from reviewing manuscripts to running a study, but also helping to advance to the next level.
My name's Kathleen Kroll. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's a really great opportunity to be affiliated with the Max Planck Institute. It's world-renowned for its neuroscience research, and it's really kind of a fantasy world for PhD students because you can get access to any kind of neuroimaging, any behavioral or psychological tests. There's no tuition, and you're given a stipend for living, so it does feel more like a job than being a student.
I think the advantage of IMPRS program is that they have a diversity of research topic and also people, so that we can gain a more complete knowledge about an issue.
My name is Ahmed Kanan. I'm actually a biochemist and I come from Montreal. I got an internship here and I just came, and when I saw the institute I knew I wanted to do my PhD here because of the infrastructure and the people around this place. For example, there's 5 scanners, there's expertise in different kinds of neuroimaging. For me, that was a really important thing to have. And what I knew about myself is that I loved photography. So it was a kind of a blend of photography and science, looking at the brain through pictures.
My name is Artyom Zinchenko. I come from Uzbekistan, from the city of Bukhara. The program is structured, so you have some courses that you have to attend, but they are programmed in a way that you have a short time of lectures and then you have time for your research. But also you have lots of soft skill courses, and you get 2 major supervisors, one from the Max Planck Institute and one from the University of Leipzig, and you get 2 advisors. You have to meet with these people on a regular basis, present them what you've done, so what's the progress, but you also get feedback.
I feel very exciting to work here because we can learn how to combine our clinical knowledge and apply it on research stuff.
I would recommend the IMPRS program for people who really have an idea, a specific idea of what they would like to do in their PhD.
I would recommend it to someone who really cares about research, who really just is passionate about it.
I would also like to recommend anyone who have kids to come here and do a PhD. You get a lot of support from IMPRS.
You really can feel as a community, and I think this feeling of one cohort doing things together, which goes beyond just research or professional life, creates a very nice atmosphere.
I guess most Americans, when they think of Germany, they think of Berlin, And I was really happy to see that Leipzig is a big city and there's a lot of culture, a lot of art and music going on.
Leipzig is a beautiful town, and you have the diversity of cultures here in the city center. You find different people from all around the world.
I found it really nice that people are friendly, and if you need help in English, they could help you in English on the street. So I have a positive impression about the city.
We expect curiosity, we expect the willingness to work hard, and only if we achieve this, we all can do great research.
Everybody has different things that they find challenging in science, and learning how to surmount those and deal with the stress. That I find actually is one of the more important lessons to learn during the doctoral studies, how to deal with the lifestyle of working in science and becoming a member of a scientific community.
I'm really proud to see how they arrive here in Leipzig as new PhD students, how they develop to standing researchers, and how they get excellent postdoc positions all over the world.
I got a postdoc position in the lab in Munich, so I'll be moving to Munich now to continue my research career.
The next step will be a postdoc in Virginia.
The large majority of our graduates have stayed in science, have moved on to become postdocs, and they are spread everywhere in the world. We have students, or now postdocs in University College London, in Harvard, in Sydney, or other places in Germany.
Well, I really love Leipzig, and I could definitely see myself coming back if the opportunity presented itself.